Hello, hello. What are today's messages and what do we need to hear today? Explore feelings. Delve into the insecurities and unresolved emotions, authentic, closure, and peace. "31. Stretch it out. Flex it good. Stretching improves flexibility and posture. Reach for the stars or touch your toes. Will you make this a daily habit? Ah. You're doing a good job. No, really. Life is messy and sometimes annoying, and it's hard to believe you're doing a good job when your brain is telling you that it could be better, perfect, flawless, and the best. But who cares? Today you're going to push away the need to be great and enjoy the good. The movie you can recite from memory, the pair of shoes that feel like sweatpants for your feet, the crease of your eyes when you smile. Perfect is boring. Good is good enough. A new focus. If you're unhappy in your job, in your relationship, or with your body, find something about the situation that does make you happy. For example, I really like the filtered water at work. Or it makes me happy that my partner takes out the trash. Or it's so great that my legs can carry me around town. When you focus on things you like, you change your body's response. The situation might not be different, but your perspective will be, and you will feel better. And what are today's quotes? Five health tips. Avoid maltodextrin. Avoid vegetable oils. Use coconut butter or olive oil. Eat more green veggies. Pay attention to added sugars. Less than 24 grams or 28 grams of added sugar a day. Re-educate yourself on this and learn from many people. Focus on small improvements every day. Try to become 1% better every day. And in 365 days, it'll be a 365% improvement. Have congruency in your life. Have harmony between my thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. Does how you think, feel, and behave all agree? Behave in unity? Some different ways to help you get out of a victim mindset. Practice a pause. Count and clear your mind. Breathing, slow it down. Count it. Learn new ways of breath work. Reframing, what can I learn from this and how can I grow from this? What is this teaching me right now? You don't have to keep feeling this way. You can change your mind. You can change your thoughts, and you can choose a new thought and way. The last one today. Would you rather pay more for a meal cooked and prepared by a person that's happy and enjoys what they do, or pay for a cheaper meal where food handler is angry and depressed and miserable at work? Do you think there is an energy exchange in this? All right. Thanks for stopping by. Adios.